Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, here with Skeng with a track, with a video called Full Moon. Skeng drop him project, him last project. I think him drop him album, was it in the last year? And since then, he's been fairly quiet. We haven't seen him in the media for no mix up or nothing. So I guess he's been getting his work done behind the scene and just keeping it quiet. So he's here with a work piece. So let's go and check it out. Full Moon, let's go. Darkness.
No. We don't match this. Good running at the church, we are not this. Target practice over the pulpit. Look more everything I reach and me. Which one I no one dead first test me. Non belly run and sexy like Pepsi.
Alright. Skeng have a tendency of painting his words so you can literally visualize what he must say. In some of him lyrics, then you can visualize what he must say that. Like, when what he say him, I believe I him this, cause this is really dark. I believe I him this. See like him have some fingernail or so. So I guess him is a wolf. He's acting like a wolf or so. Alright. Werewolf, sorry, werewolf. Darkness. Skeng is a dark artist. Skeng is one of them artists that will drop some dark lyrics, and I wouldn't compare him to Tommy Lee, but on the same part, you know what I mean? Watch the werewolf thing. What's that? Be a gun there, so no, we're not bluff. We're not on a bluff thing. No, be a gun there, so like be a gun there, so yeah, the guns are here. Anything walk out, get chalk out, you fuck. Right, once again, he's painting his lyrics. You can imagine that. You can imagine somebody pull up at somebody's yard gate and anything walk out, get knocked. You can imagine it. Him do so well at doing this. He's good at doing this type of thing. He's a very talented artist. He is talented.
Anything walk out, get chalk out, the fuck. Highload done something, have no sense, you know. I'm a friend, them mad full moon and we go. Midnight, witch fight, gunshot, bright light, first up, be making out my teens the way you feel like no.
Okay, flow change. Start talk a bag of things, you know.
Done something, have no sense, you know. I'm a friend, them mad full moon and
hold on, man. Cause the first thing I go see a picture of him, yes, sir. Anything walk out, get chalk out, the fuck. Highload done something, have no sense, you know. Me bumbuck, lad. Acha, I see it and pitney this. This I see it and pitney. Imagine you walking down the road, either light on or light off, night or day, no matter. I see something like this. What you do? What are you doing? Cut! Me a cut! And disappear, man. Poof! Gone. Jump up a fence. Let's speed like lightning. Look here. I see a tamping in this, man.
Midnight, witch fight, gunshot, bright light, first up, be making out my teens the way you feel like.
I say darker than midnight. Rich fight, gunshot, bright light. You see me? So when they put a face to fight thing, a gunshot, bright light to pick you up. You see me? Then they move on from that him say the first dopey where you make in teens.
Midnight, witch fight, gunshot, bright light, first up, be making out my teens the way you feel like. Nobody is send for you, but come here, that guy, don't fuck around, clansman, them suicide.
Don't fuck around, clansman, them suicide. They don't know, so I spin to them forward from. They don't know, so I affiliate with clans and one another. So I must say, yo, don't fuck around, we send for your butt. I am that guy. I am that guy. I will send for it. Yeah. And I'm not gonna miss.
Bag all up I mash that so I laugh and kill the pussy while I think I chuck it by a just them live camera action friend dopey everything in a minute them don't know me. Be a gun there win no bluff. Kill a boy now tell a pussy ramp up. Hit it top bus quick ramp up. Plain town no I got ratty gang no laugh up. Shut a man now bleach a yard gate you know. Anything walk out get chalk out the fuck. While out done something have no sense you know. I'm a friend them mad full moon and I go hard mad so me this I get a head shot. No take chat, I me chat a bit about that. I'm not knocking at the night, get a fat shot. Back a wheel back, senses man in action. Dance all madman.
Dance all madman for sure. Dance all madman for sure. Skeng, like me tell you, yo, Skeng's creative. He's creative. And it's not the first we see about do a video where outside the box were different. In the do a video already. Me react to it already. I have a mask on him face. We got the name of the song though. I'm sure somebody in the comment section is gonna tell me the name of the song when I have the mask on him face and like him chain up and thing like yeah. But yeah, it's getting sick, bro.
Get a fat shot back a wheel back senses man in action dance all madman. Me a do the sanction. A dead man gunman a do the sentence. No room chat everything a soft function. Pull a option paint town man a madman send him to another land. Be a gun there win no bluff. Kill a boy now tell a pussy ramp up. Hit it top bus quick ramp up. Paint town no I got ratty gang no laugh up. Shut a man now bleach a yard gate you know. Anything walk out get chalk out the fuck. While out done something have no sense you know. I'm a friend them mad full moon and I go.
Yo, remember this? What? Remember the sound done. Remember the sound done. I'm saying I say. It done. Okay. No or never. Alright, so what I want to say is big up to the team behind Skeng. Big up to the makeup artists or the makeup artists that did the makeup on him to make him look like Satan Pitney. AKA Werewolf. Big up yourself. Ona did a great job on that. Big up Skeng. I know all the director of the video. Never see who to give the credit to earlier on. But it's a really good concept. It's a really good concept. Let's look back on it to see if we can see anybody can give the credit to it. So it's a full moon, yeah, so. Let me mute that and see. I don't want to play when I talk. Okay, directed by somebody. Want to give the person them credit for them to get. It is a sick video. It is a sick video. We can't go around that. You see me? Skeng fans them I got happy. Directed by Rupi, aka Rupi. Big up yourself, aka Rupi. Big up yourself. You see me? Good, great video. Darkness, man. Darkness. Skeng, like, I always see this in every comment section when they say Skeng never disappoint or such and such never disappoint, such and such disappoint. The comment they get played out now. It's true. But big up Skeng. You are that guy for real, like I said in the song. You are that guy. So all of the Ratty Gang fans them represent in another video, in another reaction. Yeah. Be proud of an artist. Him still there. You see me? Him not feel out like some man. Him still there, hold it up. You see me? Alright, so this is how I'm gonna leave that one there. Still, if you enjoy that one, I want to see more from your G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. Definitely. And I'll definitely see you in the next one, man. 20K we need this year. 20K. That's doable. That's easy, man. Come on. Let's go. Yeah.